Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make meringue nests. First, gather 4 large egg whites, 200 grams of castor sugar, and a pinch of cream of tartar. Ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are completely grease-free. Use room temperature egg whites. They whip up with more volume and stability. This preparation is key for light, airy meringues, setting the foundation for perfect nests. Now, let's create that perfect meringue. Begin whipping egg whites on medium speed until soft peaks form, usually taking 2 to 3 minutes. Gradually add the castor sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuously whipping. Continue until the meringue is wonderfully glossy, smooth, and holds very stiff, firm peaks. These stiff peaks are essential for holding the nest shape during baking. With your meringue ready, it is time to shape those beautiful nests. Fit a large star nozzle into a piping bag and fill it. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Pipe a flat, solid base circle, approximately 8 centimeters in diameter. Then, pipe 2 or 3 concentric circles on top of the base, building up the sides to create a lovely nest shape. Aim for consistent sizes for even baking. Finally, let's bake and cool our meringue nests to perfection. Place your piped nests into a preheated oven at 100 degrees Celsius and bake for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. After baking, turn off the oven and leave the nests inside with the door slightly ajar to cool completely. This slow cooling prevents cracking. Once fully cooled, they are ready to be filled with your favorite toppings, like whipped cream and fresh berries.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.